Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a delicious recipe for you and it is turkey and vegetable coconut rice. So my ingredients are fresh turkey pieces, 2 carrots, broccoli, coconut milk light, a half a chicken stock cube, and long grain rice. So let's get started. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I've just put my pan on medium heat and I'm going to add in a tablespoon of coconut milk. I'm going to let that melt in the end of the pan and then we're going to add in the turkey pieces. So you can see there that the coconut is all melting in the bottom of the pan. So once that's all melted, then we can go ahead and add in the turkey pieces. And just give that a mix around so that the coconut can be spread over the turkey. Now, so we're just going to leave that to cook and then we're going to go over here and we're going to start preparing the vegetables. And so there I just have chopped up the carrots into small cubes. So my next step now is to also prepare the broccoli into nice small pieces also. And there you can see my vegetables are all prepared. So what I'm going to do next is go ahead and start cooking the long grain rice. So just to have a look over here, you can see that the turkey pieces are cooking nicely. There's still some pink in them, which means they're not yet fully cooked. So I'm just going to wait till all the pink is covered so the turkey will be fully white, and then once that is fully white, I can then start adding in the vegetables. So now to start preparing the rice, I've just put my pot on medium heat. So now I'm going to cover the end of the pot with the long grain rice. And then I'm going to add boiling water, so 2 times the amount of the level that the rice is up to. And so now we're going to leave that to boil for approximately 10 minutes so that all the water can absorb and the rice can become nice and soft. So now looking at the turkey pieces, you can see all the pink is now out of the turkey. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and start adding in my vegetables. So once they're added, now I'm going to leave them to simmer for a few minutes and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make the vegetable stock. So I'm just going to add in the chicken stock there and half fill the cup with boiling water. And just give that a stir around until all the stock cube is absorbed in the water. So now I'm going to add the vegetable stock cube over the turkey and the vegetables. And then we're going to give it a mix around, cover it over, and we're going to leave this to cook for approximately 30 minutes in total. So we'll just keep on stirring it every 10 minutes. So now just looking at the rice, and you can see that the water has mostly absorbed, so it's still a little bit wet. So I'm just going to leave it, turn off the heat and just cover it over so that any extra water can be absorbed while we're waiting for the turkey and vegetables to cook. So now I'm just checking on the turkey and vegetables after cooking for 20 minutes. So I can put my fork through the carrots, which means they are nice and soft. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drain out all the stock cube that's here, and then I'm going to add the vegetables and turkey in with the rice. So now our rice is nicely cooked, and now I'm going to add in the turkey and vegetables. And then mix that all around so that it's all blended in with the rice. And so then our final step is to go ahead and add in the coconut milk. Now, so we're just going to keep mixing this around until the coconut is all melted, and then I'm going to cover over the pot and I'm going to leave it for it to simmer for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until we can see that all the coconut milk has absorbed. So now I've just let it boil for 10 minutes. So you can see there that the coconut has started to absorb into the rice and the vegetables. So it is now cooked. So all we have to do is serve. So it's nice and creamy. And so there we have delicious and healthy turkey and vegetable coconut rice. So if you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe below. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.